This is a 2006 GMC Sierra, the 2500 HD, the 6.0. Just ran it out the back, some nice custom duals, the 4-inch black tips out the side there. Got it all tucked up in there nice and clean, as we always do. No banging, no knocking over the axle, not like those other guys do. Did leave all the factory converters on there. Just a nice Magnaflow dual in, dual out, wide open muffler. Doesn't want it too crazy loud. Just something to give it a nice mellow tone. Let's see what it sounds like. Like I said, just a nice mellow tone. Nothing crazy on this one.